Hello students, welcome back to our grammar videos. In the last videos, we have learnt about nouns and its types. Before we start with our new grammar topic, let's have a warm-up session. So are you all ready for it? Observe the pictures that are shown on the slide. The first picture is of a famous personality, that is Sachin Tendulkar. He is a very famous batsman. The second picture is a ball. And the third picture is a monument, Taj Mahal. What you have to do is quickly give the words that describe these pictures. You have to try out giving at least one describing word for each of the picture given. Did you all think about any of these words that describe these pictures? If yes, you're correct. So, can you guess now what are we going to learn today? You all are correct. We are going to start with adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. It adds something to the meaning of the noun. Here, there is a picture of a library and few describing words are mentioned for it. The describing words are nice, single story, beautiful, brown, and big. So all these describing words are called as adjectives because they are describing the picture library. One more example. In this picture, you can see a smart, sweet little girl. Her name is Jane. The sentence is, Jane is a clever girl. So here, clever is an adjective as it is describing Jane. As you all know, adjectives provide relevant information about the nouns. But how to find out these adjectives? What we need to do is ask several questions such as what kind, how much, how many, which one, and whose to the nouns. And the answer you get is an adjective. Few more examples. The first sentence. He is an honest man. So what kind? Man is a noun. And what information are we getting about the man? What kind of a man he is? So, when you get the answer, it is he is an honest man. Honest is an adjective as it is answering the question what kind of. So, what kind of a man? He is an honest man. So, honest becomes an adjective. The next sentence, I earn more money than him. Money is a noun. So when you ask a question, that is how much, the answer you get is more. The specific number of the salary or the money is not mentioned. For example, 10,000, 20,000, 25,000 or whatsoever. But it is just describing that more money. So more becomes an adjective as it is describing money. And it answers the question how much. The next one, there are 6 persons in the house. So here persons is a noun. So here in this sentence, 6, the exact number has been mentioned. So how many persons? 6 persons. So 6 is an adjective as it is telling the number of a noun in the house. The next one, I want that bag. So when you say I want a bag, you can give any bag. But when it is mentioned, I want that bag. So it answers the question, which bag? So the word that is pointing out the specific bag. So that is an adjective which describes the bag and answers the question, which one? So I hope you all have understood what are adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun and it answers the questions what kind, how much, how many, which one, and whose. Playtime. Are you all ready for the game? So now here in this game, the list of nouns has been mentioned. Okay. So now what you have to do is I'm going to read out the nouns one by one, and you have to quickly think of the adjectives, and you have to think when I read as soon as the first adjective which comes to your mind. So just keep it with you because we are going to check the answers in the next slide. Okay. So for example, if I read a house, so the first adjective which comes to my mind is big. So I describe it as a big house. Okay, understood? So let's begin. I'll read the nouns one by one and quickly think of the adjectives. Ice, juice, king, honey, lamp, zoo, knife, flag, and river. I hope you all enjoyed it. So did you all think of any of the adjectives given from the list? So you have so many answers in front of you all. And if yes, very good, well done. I hope you all have understood the topic adjectives. So in the next video, we'll study about the types of adjectives. Thank you.